Hello everybody, it's Dr. Death here. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the surgery. Hello, who are you then? You just hanging around, are you? Not doing anything? Okay, let's go into... Should we go into the crypt? In the crypt? No, let's go into the surgery. Oh, hello. Oh look, there's nobody on the pharmacy counter here. Must be on their lunch break. Are they on their lunch break? Yes, they're on their lunch break. And we have a nice little waiting room here, which is also unoccupied. And then we have a surgeon's table. Oh yes, with a surgeon at work. And actually we used the little @ sign there because, well, I couldn't really fit everything on. But, oh, look at this poor old bugger. This was one of my previous subscribers that gave me a thumbs down on one of my videos. Oh my goodness me. What in the devil is that? Oh, that is Shaking Stevens.
Hello, dearies.
Hello, dearies.
I was just having a nap.
Oh, look, we've got some lovely lights over here. Ooh. So we're actually waiting for some people to turn up, aren't we? Oh, right, okay. That is scary as shit.
Oh, Lou shrunk.
Oh, look, you fit right in there with the old surgery table.
Do I do?
Who are you killing today?
I'm killing Eve.
Oh, yes, killing Eve. Oh, let's go and have a look outside. Oh, let's go and have a look at the graveyard. Oh, yes.
Have you got an appointment?
I don't think so. Do I need to make an appointment with...
I'll see if I can fit you in.
Oh, excellent.
Okay, which parts would you like dismembered?
I'll leave that up to you. Oh, hello there, Mrs. Nursey. Oh, God, what happened to that poor sod? Oh, hello, young Maya. Where's your costume? Hey, where's your costume? Oh, let's have a little wander out here. Have a look at the gravestones. Oh, yes. Oh, that looks really good. Oh, and here we have the emergency waiting room. But it's unoccupied at the moment. Oh, hello. Hello there. Come this way. Reach up and take one of the little eyeballs there.
Yeah, you see the doctor. So you get a little...
Let's take a little eyeball.
Yeah, this one.
That's right.
Now, I'm going to give you a prescription and you have to put it at the pharmacy over there. But she's sleeping, so you have to press that button down there. You have to press that button. You have to step on it. Step on it. With your foot.
Come on, step on it.
Oh, that's broken the pharmacy stuff.
Let me see what I've got. Lotions and potions behind it. Witch hazel? No, I don't think that will do me, will it, dearie? Or some poison? Oh, I don't think that will either, do you? Let's see what I've got down here.
Got down
See if I
there.
can find something a bit sweeter. I think that's just a ticket. There you go.
What's that?
What do you say?
Thank you.
Have a nice night. Take care of it.
Bye bye now.
Bye.
Hello there. Welcome to the surgery. Come closer. Come closer. Look at my last subscriber. He didn't know what hit him. When I was younger, my hand didn't form correctly. It's all withered. But if you want, you could give me a hand. Well, thanks for coming to the surgery. See you again, I hope. Look at my withered hand. Oh.
I can't see you, you're on my screen, dear.
Where are you, dear?
I'm here, dear.
I can't see you, but you'll be alright when we stand up. Ah, there we go.
If you like to just lift up the handle that way and make your way through. Doctor,
Oh, do come this way. Come this way.
Oh my God!
Hello. Don't be scared. Come this way. Hello.
That's amazing.
Hello.
Oh wow! Look at that. Come on, Gary, you go.
Come this way.
She's dead.
Come this way up to the table.
Oh my God!
Hello there. You look really good today.
Oh my God! Look.
Would you like to help yourself to a chocolate eyeball?
Oh look! You can take a chocolate eyeball.
Take a chocolate eyeball. There
That's
we go.
amazing.
Take another one. There we go.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
she's
wait a minute,
fat.
sweetheart.
Hang on a minute, Gary. That's wicked.
I apologise for my withered hand.
Take my strong hand. That's what I can say on that.
Well done.
Oh, that looks wicked.
Yes, take the prescription there and take that over to the
To
pharmacy.
the pharmacy.
And she will see you.
But she's asleep, so to wake her up, you need to press on that really hard. That's it. Press on it really hard.
Right. Stand up.
Oh, I'm so sorry, dear. I appear to have fallen asleep in my station. How are you this evening? You have a prescription for me?
Yeah,
Very
got mine.
much. Oh, got a bit of a headache. I can't think why my head's
And then you invite them all in.
Yeah. But only with the parents, obviously. The ones that don't have parents are like, you're not coming in here without the
Let me
parents.
see
Yeah.
what I've got behind here for you. I've got so many lotions and potions, I've lost count. Hold on 1 minute, dearie. Bottle of witch hazel, do you think that'll do you? I don't know, I don't think that's right for you, I don't really. Or maybe some poison. Oh, I don't think you want that either, do you? Oh, let me see if I can find something a little bit better. Just 1 minute. I think I found just the thing. How about some sweeties? Do you think that will help? Oh, that's good. Would you like to take one for your sister?
Yeah.
There you go, dearie. You have a good night.
What do you say?
You're very welcome.
Oh, that's amazing. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
That's incredible. I'm going to invite everyone round.
Do come again. Hello. Do come through.
Come through.
Hello.
Go see the doctor.
Oh, hello. You look very scary.
Oh, wow.
Come up to the table. Help yourself to chocolate eyeballs.
You want the chocolate
You want a chocolate eyeball there? Help yourself.
Thank you.
There we go. Do you want one as well? Where's the doctor gone? Here she is. Would you like to give me a hand? How'd you do? Doctor, would you like to give them the prescription?
Oh, yes, of course.
To go to the
Right.
pharmacy?
Would you like to take one of these, please? Take one of these. And if you have to hand it at the pharmacy behind you, but she's always asleep, so what you have to do is you have to press that with your foot to wake her up.
Oh, I'm so sorry, dearie. I'm fit to fall asleep at my station. What am I this evening? Are you alright?
Yeah, give her the
I've got a bit of an headache, but I can't think why.
Oh.
Have you got one as well?
No.
Oh, sorry.
I don't know why she's... No, please. You take one.
We like big children
And
here as
the
well.
baby.
That's my
Oh,
baby.
the
Got
baby.
one as well. Got so many lotions and potions, but the idea I've lost count. Let's see what we've got. For you, young man. Bit of witch hazel? Oh, I don't think that's going to do you any good, is it, dearie? Maybe for you too, a bit poison? Oh, I don't think you want that either, do you? Let me see if I can find you something a little bit sweeter. I'll be back in a second.
Oh, back in. house, so then the baby can have some osmosis through the farm.
Thank you so much. Have yourself a nice night and watch out for those ghosts and ghouls, won't you?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. You guys are
Do come again.
We'll be here again next year.
Goodbye.
I have to close the door for that one, otherwise the wind knocks all the sheets down as we found out earlier today.
Hey everyone, Big Pauly back for a couple of unboxings for the Kent Kidney Patients Association raffle.
Yes.
Yay!
Thank you so much to everyone that's donated. The reason
Yes.
we're dressed like this is because it's Halloween, and as you'll probably see all of Paul's pictures as he put up, we've had this interactive thing going on for the children. We do that every year. So yeah, so hopefully you'll get to see some of it.
Oh yes, interactive. Yeah.
And we figured we stay in costume as it is for the dialysis patients, so therefore it's a hospital theme. Claire's a pharmacist. You're going to do your voice.
Hello, dearies. How are you doing?
And Dr. Death here.
Hello there. Come and take one of my eyeballs.
So was it a successful night, would you say?
Who are you?
Me, I'm just a surgeon.
Just a common surgeon.
Just a common surgeon.
Yes.
Brain surgeon.
As you'll see in the video, lots of comings and goings and weird voices and shit.
And kids absolutely petrified.
And the pharmacist falling asleep a lot. Even though she's got a bit of an headache, I don't know why.
No, I can't think why at all.
But
Does your head still hurt?
It does a bit, actually.
Yeah?
we've got a couple of packages sent in. I think there might still be some more coming in, maybe. But I'm just going to go through the two that we've got. So the first one is a fragile packet. And this one is from the Blu-ray and DVD collector. So thank you very much, William, for sending this in.
Thanks, William.
Thank you,
And
William.
we'll have a look, we'll dig in because I think it's a couple of DVDs. Okie dokie, so yeah, sent it. Oh, he's put a little note in as well. So that's very nice. It says, "Hi Big Pauly, I've sent you a couple of DVDs for Lulu's raffle. Hope they help. Yours, William, the Blu-ray and DVD collector."
Ah, thank you,
Okay,
William.
so what have we got? We've got, oh, wow. We've got
I love that film.
That's a good film.
We've got The Danish Girl with, who's in it? Eddie Redmayne
Yeah.
and Alicia Vikander.
That's a really good film.
Did he win an Oscar for that? I think
He
he won
should've. If he did,
I think
he
he won
should've.
an Oscar for that one.
Yeah.
This is a lovely DVD as well. Look at all the nice embossing on it. So that's The Danish Girl.
That's beautiful.
Which one's The Danish Girl? Her or him?
Him.
Oh, right.
This is actually the story of the very first transgender surgery ever done. Back in, oh gosh, was it like the 1920s or something?
Was it 20s?
No, I think it was even before then. Yes, it was even before then. I'm not all clued up on what year it was, but it is the first transgender surgery that was attempted.
Wow.
Yeah, on Eddie Redmayne's character.
That's very nice sleeve. isn't it?
It's gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
That's gorgeous. Someone's going to be very happy with that.
Okay, and we also have a 2-disc special edition of Batman Returns.
Wow.
Which is the one with the penguin and all that
Thank
kind of
you.
shit in it. Let me just bring these up so you can have a quick look at them a little bit closer. Oh yes, look at that. Lovely, lovely. Thank you very much, William. That's appreciated.
That is lovely.
Okie dokie, so we've got 2 lovely DVDs and then we have a rather large box. Kind of smells.
Do you know what?
Because
It smells lush.
It does, it says
It's-
Lush Fresh Made Can-Made Cosmetics.
It smells well.
But I thought, oh, maybe that's just a box. I don't know. And this is from Georgie Oban. So thank you very much, Georgie.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Georgie.
Georgie.
Now we just need to open it. So we've got a nice pair of big scissors. Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got.
Have you driven through any traffic lights lately, Paul?
I've heard you've been through any traffic lights. Why?
Nope, not because those scissors are red.
That's pink.
It's faded red, actually. I can see what he's saying. It's faded.
It's pink.
They were red at some point. They're faded pink now.
A bit like the blood on your coat, actually. That's looking a little bit.
That is actually looking a bit pink, isn't it?
Pauline's colour.
Oh, yes. Oh my goodness me. What on earth have we got in here? Okie doke. Oh, bloody hell.
Wow.
Right, okay, we've got a big selection in here. Okay, so we've got a nice little note here. Dear Big Pauly, just a few bits for Lulu's raffle. All the best. Love your videos, Georgie.
Oh, Georgie, thank you.
It smells delicious.
It does smell, whatever it is.
Oh, it smells lush. Smells lush.
Let's have a look. See what the first thing is.
No, I
we've
know,
got.
but I copied it without realising it.
Wow, okay, we've got the Mindfulness Colouring Diary.
You know what? That's so good.
Is that? Oh, that's one of those adult colouring books, I think, isn't it?
Really good, yeah.
Yeah.
Which my brother bought for.
Oh, but it's a diary as
Oh,
well.
it's diary as well.
So they can,
That's amazing.
yeah, so they can put all their appointments down.
A doodle every week.
That's really
And while
good.
they're waiting for an appointment in the doctors, they can do a bit of colouring.
Yeah, or while they're on dialysis.
Or while they're on
That's lovely.
dialysis.
That's really, really
Do you know what? I've
thoughtful,
never
really
seen
nice.
anything like that before.
And these also because. Sorry? Did I talk over you?
It's fine. I don't know what, guys. I may as well, you know.
And it's called the Mindfulness Colouring Diary. There's also a 15 pack of colour pencils as well to go with it. So that's going to have to go as a one, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. for the
Fantastic.
package. That's lovely.
Also, we have some very nice bubble wrap, which
Dibs on the bubble wrap.
I am just going to get. Oh, stay there. Oh, yes,
Like
baby.
fireworks outside.
Okay, right, let's get the heavy one out of the way. Pardon. Oh, what is this?
Bath salts?
This is Spa Reviving Bath Salts,
Oh.
Nourishing Body Lotion and Body Scrub.
Oh, wow. That's
It looks like
very
it all
nice.
comes
Do not-
as one.
Yeah, don't do that because it's a lovely packet like that.
Yes. Oh, look at those. Look at those bath salts.
Yeah.
Those lovely bath salts. Brilliant. Okay, thank you very much.
I would think.
That's where the smell was coming from.
That is gorgeous. That's really gorgeous. Thank you so much.
It smells lovely.
Yeah.
And there's the book and the pencils.
Oh,
Okay.
They do smell lovely.
Looks like we've got
I
some-
love that copper on the top there.
That's really nice.
That's
isn't it?
really nice. Yeah.
We've got some DVD. Oh, blimey, we've got some DVDs. Some DVDs.
DVDs are great. I know you're all Blu-ray fans, but DVDs are fantastic because a lot of the patients, they're of a certain age, some of them, and you get some young ones, you know, and they've got their iPads and everything, and it's lovely. But then you also get the ones of a certain age that are retired and don't have Blu-ray players, so DVDs all the way. But you know, DVDs are good too.
Right, okay, so the first one we've got is Hot Fuzz,
Oh.
Wow.
which is part of the Cornetto trilogy with Simon Pegg and Nick Frost. Have you seen that
Fantastic.
one?
Yeah, very funny.
Brain Freeze?
That is really
It's a really good
yeah.
classic film.
This is really good because you know this. It's always good to know because if someone wins, because what's going to happen is we're going to call out the ticket. You'll see it anyway because we'll try and film it. And then what they get is they get a chance to pick what they want from because we'll have a trolley because they're hooked up to a machine, so they can't come up and get what they want. So we're basically wheeling this trolley with all the prizes on there that you've donated and everyone's donated. And they'll either go. If they have got a Blu-ray player, then they'll go for the Blu-ray. And if they've got a DVD player only, they'll go for the DVD. So it's really nice to have a selection. It's brilliant.
Oh, somebody might pick up the Blu-ray and say, what's this?
I'll have, if it's an older person, not meaning to insult anyone, but if it's an older person, I'll say, you do realise that this is not a DVD, it's a Blu-ray. Like that lady with the
Yes,
VHS.
like I said on my Blu-ray hunting HMV with the VHS tape. Yes. We've also got another one for the Alien Invasion fan, which is Battle Los Angeles. It's not war, it's survival, which is a really good one. It's basically like Saving Private Ryan with the aliens that have come down.
Cool.
Really good action-packed film. All set on the streets of LA.
Thank you.
So thank you very much for that. Oh, yeah, this was one of my favourite films. This was one of my favourite films, Coco.
Oh,
the animated Smash Coco.
Muchas
And-
gracias por Coco.
Yes, and that's very appropriate as well.
Especially tonight, as it's Halloween, and so kind of Day of the Dead kind of goes with it, really. Although it's not even. Oh, what is it? I think Day of the Dead's November, isn't it? I don't know. Well, not that I would celebrate it. But yeah. Oh, you know, I still haven't seen this. So
I've been trying to get Lou to watch it.
Yeah.
The whole, the whole Mexican thing. It is one of the most beautiful animated films I've ever
Oh, I
seen.
haven't seen it actually.
Good.
And I swear that you'd probably be crying by the end of it.
Ay, mijo.
Remember me.
Oh, that's lovely. It's so
Yes.
nice of you, so generous. Thank you so much to both of you.
That's an empty box. Yes, so thank you both, William and Georgie.
Thank you, William and Georgie. And do you know what I have noticed? You and I waffle on. Claire sits there quietly.
I can't get a bloody fucking word in. Sorry, Mum.
You said it.
Jesus, you might as well have said it me out at least, you know.
Should we talk about you for a bit?
No. That would require you not talking about yourselves. You might find that a bit hard. I shall just sit and observe.
Are you still waiting to hear what a laser disc is? No, what was it?
Yeah, a laser disc.
No, you're waiting. 8-track.
Yeah,
Oh,
a laser disc.
8 tracks way before like vinyl and cassettes, and that's going back way back in there. That's before my time.
But there's a video that you did of us, and I think it might have been after.
Screen on scene.
Yeah, the first one. And Claire's like, "What's an 8-track? What's an 8-track?" And we're just talking over, and she keeps asking, "What's an 8-track?"
What's an 8 track? You still didn't find out, did you?
Well, one of your subscribers picked up on it and said, so I was still waiting to find out what it was.
Yes,
I
I
don't know
think
who it
Claire's
was.
still waiting to find out what an 8-track is. We'll just
Well,
talk over
you
her.
got your own back earlier on, didn't you?
Oh yes. He was supposed. His character tonight was supposed to be what? Doctor
Death.
Doctor Death. But what was his character? What did we call him instead?
Well, he's supposed to turn up to help us out. The deal was we'd do this big interactive Halloween if Big Pauly came and helped us put up the decorations. So there's Lou and I getting up, straight to it. Didn't even sit down and have a cup of tea this morning. We were going since 8:30 this morning. But Paul was supposed to come and help us. So what time does he rock up? 2 o'clock. And then we want, you just can't help it, can you? and then we thought we'd put him to work. I've just got to go and edit some videos. Lou said, how long are you going to be? Oh, about 20 minutes. Almost an hour later, he rocks up. Well, we bloody finished putting everything up, haven't we?
And you did a very good job of it
Well,
too.
thanks very much.
Dr.
So,
Doolittle.
Yeah, instead of Dr. Death.
Okay.
I named him Dr. Doolittle.
Dr. Very Doolittle.
Yeah.
Steal your thunder again.
Steal my thunder.
Seriously, this doesn't happen all the time. This seems to happen when he's around. He's a bad influence.
I'm a bad influence.
Oh, I'm sorry. Your arse is on fire. Your nose is going to be I think you talk over me non-stop on a daily basis, so don't blame him.
But it's worse when we're doing these videos.
No, it's not. It's just you're more aware of it because people are watching.
You still love me.
Maybe.
I think she's got a headache.
I have. I've had a headache all night, funnily enough. I can't think why.
Well, thanks again, guys. And,
Yes, thank you very much. As I say, we might be getting another package or two. We'll do another unboxing maybe in a couple of weeks. But when is this raffle supposed to be happening?
Right, it is going to be. We're selling tickets from we're advertising at the end of November. What's happening with the raffle? What did we say to Vicky? We had a meeting.
End of November.
End of November, everything's going up. Flyers, everything, so that the tickets can be sold all through December. And then we're calling out the raffles in the 21st and 22nd of December.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's actually going to be 8 raffles in total because the dialysis shifts, the way they work is you have patients coming in the morning shift, then you have patients come in the afternoon shift on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Then you have different patients coming in on a Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday on a morning and afternoon shift. So in order to get them, we have to do 4 in Maidstone Hospital, and then Medway does the same shift rota, so we have to do 4 there. Morning in Maidstone, then morning in Gillingham on the Friday, then stick around Gillingham and then do the afternoon shift they have there. Then still have time to drive down and finish the afternoon shift in Maidstone. So that takes care of the 4 raffles that day. Then on the Saturday, repeat it again. Maidstone, Medway, Medway, Maidstone. So again, so it's eight raffles in total that we're going to do. So.
Well, that's one way to send my viewers into a coma. But that was very insightful. That was very interesting. But I tell you what.
You're right.
We're getting all these 50 Shades of Grey. I originally was going to get all 3 copies of them on Blu-ray as a prize. But that's like sending them over the edge, isn't it?
I think they've suffered enough.
They've suffered enough to have to sit through that shit. Yes. Otherwise they'll be just reaching over to pull out all the plugs out and everything. So yes, we'll save that for destruction.
Yes. You're going to tie some balloons?
Oh yeah, we'll smash one with Emma. I might drive over one, tie one to a helium balloon.
Yeah,
I've still got some rockets left from the last 5th of November.
Oh yeah.
So we'll tie one to a rocket and just send it up into the atmosphere. Watch it explode and all that kind of shit.
Right.
Yes, brilliant.
Hope you do more next year.
Oh yes, we're going to do a different theme next year, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's going to be carnival. Creepy carnival. We're going to have lots of little games and little hook the
ducks.
Oh, talking of ducks, maybe no, that's a bit warped. I was thinking we'd have a little paddling pool with some ducks in that the little kiddies can hook, and amongst all of the little ducks, I could put the duck with a dick. That we saw up in Bluewater.
A duck with a dick.
There's a duck with a dick.
We are not having any dicks near children. You don't do that.
Yes, maybe not. Maybe that's not a good idea.
Keep the dick away from the children.
Oh.
That's just like Halloween 101.
Yes,
Trick or treat.
That's a different subject. But yes, thank you very much for sending those lovely gifts in. And oh yeah, and we've got what I can't remember what were we doing?
Who wants to bring dicks into the whole carnival thing? Something about a duck with a dick.
Somebody's not watching my videos.
I'm sorry, what video was this happening?
When I went Blu-ray hunting to Bluewater, I went into Hawkins Bazaar.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And there was a duck with a dick.
Alright. What, a dick is in like down there or a dickhead or what?
No, yeah, down there.
Oh god.
It was amongst all the vaginas and the cocks and.
That's so wrong.
That's very wrong, but that's Hawkins Bazaar for you.
Yeah, that's not coming anywhere near
Yes.
our Halloween thing. Alright guys, I'm absolutely knackered.
Yes, we're going to sign off now. So.
Yeah,
thank you very much.
We're going to watch, hopefully, is it The Voices?
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, well, Ryan Reynolds filmed The Voices about this. He thinks he hears his cat telling him to kill people. I'm not quite sure, but we'll let you know if it's any good.
Oh, now I know what you mean.
Mr. Tiddles or something, I don't know.
Oh, that should be fun.
I'll probably sleep through it.
She'll be sleep through it, yeah, definitely. 100%, about 10 minutes into the film.
Yeah.
Done.
Yes. Fantastic.
Okie
dokie. What was
Oh, toffee
I'll
apples.
probably eat my toffee
that? Oh,
apple.
toffee apple. Oh,
So
yes.
I might stay awake for at least 15.
All right then. Well, thank you very much. It's been nice. I was going to say it's been nice having you, but it's your house.
Yeah.
So we're going to settle down and watch a film and have a drink and a toffee apple.
Have some more beer.
Have some more beer.
And you're staying over, aren't you?
Well, I've got no choice now, have I? Unless you want to see me crash into some tree outside. But okay, well, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little Halloween get together. Like the video by giving it a thumbs up. Everybody give it a thumbs up. Oh yes, lots of thumbs up. I don't know what thumbs up though. And don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you on the next exciting adventure. Bye.